path traversal vulnerability lets attackers navigate outside intended directory by manipulating file path. In this example, we have a simple directory tree structure, and our test application loads pages dynamically through a URL parameter. The address looks like test-app.com/index, with a page parameter set to admin-panel.php. Behind the scenes, the application takes the value of that parameter and uses it to load the matching file. The admin-panel.php file is stored in the web-app directory. Right next to it, as a sibling directory, sits learning, and inside learning is a secrets.txt file that should be protected. An attacker can manipulate the page parameter directly by changing it from admin-panel.php to /learning/secrets.txt. The application walks up one level out of web-app, then back down into learning, retrieving that sensitive file it was never supposed to expose. If the application filters out the literal /sequence, attackers can bypass this protection using URL encoded versions, like %2e, %2e, %2f for // or partially encoded variants like %2f, which the server will decode back into the traversal sequence. These encoding tricks are especially useful when dealing with web application firewalls or basic input sanitization that only blocks the plain text version of path traversal attempts. This is basically path traversal explained in 2 minutes. 2 dots and a slash. Subscribe for more vulnerabilities explained fast, and see you in the next one!